Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome back to another live trading session. Today is Thursday, June 16th, 2022. Looking at the markets here, we have a pretty substantial gap down. FOMC, they raised interest rates by 0.75 basis points. Initially, we had a bearish reaction and then we bumped up. And then overnight session, we just totally sold off. ES has made a lower low from Tuesday, currently sitting right at the lows, but the overnight did make a lower low. It's important to note. The Nasdaq has not yet made the lower low from Tuesday, but we're going to be very cautious trading here today because substantial gap down. I'm not 100% sure if people are going to be short covering or if people are going to be trying to de-risk. Definitely doesn't look good for the bulls here. We're coming down pretty hard. At least we came down pretty hard on the overnight session. We did try to make a higher high, but failed. And since then, we've just been selling off until now. We did test point of control from Tuesday here, how the support lost it, just came up to retest his resistance now. Market's gonna open up here in 2 minutes. Not sure if we're gonna be able to blow past this or not. We did just get this cross down on the 9 and 21 SMA. VWAP's all the way up here. We have value area low from yesterday here, point of control, and value area high. As you can see, we tried to rally here, came up to value area low and got rejected. Primarily going to be looking for shorts today. We have this downtrend on the 30-minute chart. And we're going to be primarily looking for shorts, but you never know what the market can do. It can totally just rally here, or it can continue selling off. There's no way to know for sure. So we're going to try to be patient today and hope that there's a good trade opportunity that shows up for us. Now, I do advise people to not trade FOMC days just because they are very, very volatile when stuff's announced, and they're very choppy beforehand. So if we go and we look at the price action the morning of FOMC, we see all this choppiness. See how close these candles are together. It's a recipe for getting yourself stopped out. We did have a nice time after 9 when we had a good uptrend, but other than that, it does get very choppy, and then all this volatility when FOMC is announced. So just always be careful. Looks like markets have opened up here. Let's take a look, see what's going on. Pretty heavy delta sells so far. This downtrend is being respected. It's a really heavy delta sell. See if the bulls are able to buy this up. Again, we do have a cross down on the 9 and 21 here, so we're going to be looking for shorts. Really good buy up there. We have point of control from Thursday here. See if we can get above it. Breaking this downtrend. Just going to try to be patient and see what kind of opportunities we can get. Coming up here to the 9 SMA. We're just opening up, so I don't want to be getting too hasty. We do have a giant gap to fill on the S&P. Pretty substantial gap down at about over 2% gap down, which is a pretty big cause for concern. Coming up here, testing point of control from Thursday or Tuesday, getting initial rejection. Got 2 minutes left on this 5-minute candle. Came up to the 9. Good buying here. Kind of seems a little choppy. See how close the bars are together. That's a nice buy up. 5-minute candles looking like a doji so far. Coming back down here. Pretty heavy delta. Might look for a short. I'm down to Valley Area low from Thursday or Tuesday already. Yes, coming down to these lows here. Could be an area of bounce. Selling off pretty hard here. Gonna wait for a pullback. A good rejection off the 9 SMA. Yes, continuing to sell off. See if we get a retest Valley Area low. Get a good volume shelf here for me. Buy up. Put control flipped. New 5-minute candle formed. Stepped out there. Stepped out there for 310, which wasn't ideal. Rejection off this trend line. That was looking a little strong here. Let's buy up. Try to wait for this candle to close out. Computer's being so slow. Seriously, computer's being way too slow right now. I'm changing my orders. Goodness. What is up with my charts? Just taking forever to load. Like to just push this. not this heavy. Don't like the buyers here. We do have this primary downtrend. I gotta restart this program because it's oh my goodness. I gotta restart this program. Gosh, it really sucks when you can't even control how your trades are gonna go. Goodness. It's really unfortunate. You guys saw how laggy it was. Definitely not ideal when you're trying to trade. Free trades down 725. Somewhat of an uptrend here. I'm going to control shift down here. Good buy up. Back up to this. Wow, really strong buy up. Choppy this far. Let's try to be patient here. Let's see what the market's trying to do. This delta push up is pretty strong. Probably should have gotten out of my trade when I first noticed the lag. Really strong buy up. Goodness. And back retest these highs. Pretty strong move to the upside, projecting off of this high here, double top. Probably gonna get ran. We're just chopping around right now. Just gonna watch for now. I feel like they'd run this double top. Getting that was a good buy up. Seeing some move down in delta here. Can we come and run this low? Bounce off point of control so far. Down to this area of support here. Losing the area of support. And kind of heavy. It's looking better than the Nas. Like to see us run these. look at it, volatility is up 5%, 6%, 10 years up, dollars down a bit. Don't like the bounce here off a value area low. Like to see us run this. I'll take one off. Making like a perfect double bottom there. Got the lows from Tuesday right there. Not sure about that trend line. Don't like this hammer candle. Not a big fan of that. Added another one at point of control. I think we can run at least test the low from Tuesday. I like how we're hanging out here. Break that low. Be patient on this trade. It's like a perfect double bottom there. Didn't quite get the low retest. Average in again. Probably shouldn't have. Could be retest of this uptrend here. Don't like how strong Delta is. See rejection off point of control here. Got a minute left on this 30-minute candle. Take us out. Perfect. Take us out of this last one. Come on. Almost there. Right there. Come on. So close. There we go. Happy with that. Good trading. Good trading. This retest up here got me a little nervous, but seeing the rejection off point of control was a bit of a reassurance to me. And also seeing that we were starting a new candle with like this kind of little double bottom here in the 5-minute right here. I was like, well, it kind of looks like we're going to come down and run it. That's why I moved my take profits to a little bit closer here. And then I had one here at the low from Thursday or Tuesday. I keep saying Thursday. I don't know why. Had a little bit of technical issues in the beginning. Very sorry about that. Kind of made me a little upset because I couldn't manage my trades basically at all. I was able to get this one to move down here, and that thankfully did respond. So we did have like a $700 loss. But this could have been, you know, 900 if I didn't move this one down, which I'm pretty happy with. I did move my stops up because I was pretty confident on this move down. However, I took them back on and I was going to move them to point of control if we happen to move back up. 1435 on the day. This is not bad. Minus 700 plus 1435. Just kind of trading the trend. The trend is down today, obviously. Gigantic gap down. We were a little mindful that we could get a bounce, which we saw here when we had this uptrend here break. We went short a little bit late. Could have went short on this retest here of the uptrend, which we had right there. And then looks like this was just a second leg pullback. It looks like we're about to come down and make a new low. ES did not make a new low yet. Nasdaq is seeming to lead here on the day, but I'm going to call it there. 1435 in about 30 minutes. Pretty happy with that. Not going to complain. If you guys are continuing to trade, I hope you guys have a profitable day, and just always be sure to manage your risk. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out. Peace out.